Happy holidays and Merry Christmas, everybody. We have an abundance of things to be thankful for here at Onyx Imaging, but our awesome clients are absolutely one of our favorite things to be grateful for this holiday season. We want to say thank you so much to our loyal customers. We appreciate all your support throughout our 31 years in business, and we cannot wait to see who's going to be the lucky winner of our second drawing of the year. All right, let's get ready to see who's going to be the winner of this massive 70-inch Samsung Smart TV. All right, let's see who's the winner. Okay. Congratulations, Kelsey Ellswick from Lexus of Tulsa. Now let's get ready for our drawings of these awesome tablets which make for great Christmas gifts. Okay, let's see what we got. Congratulations to Amy Grogan from Airco. All right, and last but not least, we got Greg Himfeld from Jim Norton Toyota. Again, happy holidays, everybody, and we hope everyone has a wonderful Christmas. You can reach out to your business representative over at Onyx to see how we can help you save more time and money. And you can have the satisfaction of knowing that you're backed by Oklahoma's highest rated and most reviewed printer repair service center.